Hi guys and welcome to Enjoyable Characters. I'm your host, Joy. And today, I am going to show you how to say days, weeks, months, years in Chinese. So, starting from days, how do you say day in Chinese? Well, there are two ways. The first one is called 天. 天, which originally means sky. So if you already know, at the bottom part of 天 you see 大, which means big. 大 resembles a person with his arms stretched out. And he is so big that his head touches the sky. 天, sky, and also day. 天. Another way to say day is 日, 日, which originally means the sun. You can think of it as a rectangle, right? A window, which you can look out to see the sky. 日, 日. Moving on, week in Chinese is 周, 周. I know it looks a bit complicated, but actually it's just an elephant riding a scooter. Can you see it now? And how do we say Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesdays? Because in Chinese there's no specific name. The days, the weekdays, are actually numbered. So we actually just put 周 in combination with the number. For example, Monday, we call it 周一, which means week and 1. The first day of the week. 周一, and it works like that to Saturday. 周六, 周六, the sixth day of the week. The only exception is Sunday. We don't call it 周七. Instead, the name is 周日. 周日. As said before, 日 means sun as well, right? Just like in Sunday. 周日. Month in Chinese is 月. 月, which originally means the moon. See how the form is like a crescent moon? If you look closely at the stripes in the middle, it also looks like a croissant. Now, how do we say January, February, March in Chinese? Because there's also no specific name for them. Like the weekdays, there's also a very simple system that we can use. For example, January, the first month, we call it 一月. 一月. And the 12th month is called, as you may already have guessed, 十二月. 十二月, the 12th month. Lastly, the year. 年, 年. A friend who's learning Chinese just told me she thinks this character looks like a train station. See how the top part looks like the roof and the square part looks like a train? Do you see it? Or do you see something else? Tell us about it. Maybe in the comments below. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching Joy's Enjoyable Characters, and we hope to see you next time. 下次见, bye!